Welcome back to Area Diesel Service, your diesel experts since 1973. Today we're going to do a short video that we're going to refer to as the parts counter. We're going to pull out some specific products. We're going to talk about their specific features and benefits. Might get into a little bit of technical information, things to look out for. These videos are going to try and cover the type of conversations we have at our parts counter regarding these specific parts. So maybe we'll save you a trip or get you some information out there regarding some of the stuff that we're distributing. Okay, today on the parts counter, Turbocharger part number 70-4012. This is 07 to 12, 6.7 liter Cummins powered Dodge Ram pickup truck. Let's open it up and have a look. Here it is out of the box. 70-4012. This is a pretty popular turbo for us. A lot of these trucks out in the marketplace. Our Reman unit does include the actuator. Make sure you pay attention to that. You might see other units out there where they're calling them a short turbo and they do not include the actuators. Actuator is included with ours and it is calibrated and ready to be installed on your vehicles. Okay, these units are balanced twice. So you'll see a tag on the unit and it'll show you that it was balanced as a rotating assembly, so just the rotor group, the individual components, and then it was run on a VSR high-speed cartridge balancer. If you want to see the high-speed balancing going on, we have video of a tour of that facility where they rebuild these units. You can see what we're talking about with the high-speed core balancer. Double balanced per se, ready to go. Then the actuator is married and calibrated to the specific turbo. With this turbo, you also get the 3 studs for the exhaust manifold. That comes with every one of them, and you get a pretty inclusive installation kit. So oil and drain gaskets, coolant washers, O-rings, they've even got a lubrication syringe in there. Everything you need to put this turbo on your engine. Okay, this turbo falls in the MAGNUM product brand. Industry leading 2-year guaranteed part acceptance warranty and labor claims paid out on fault found failures. Definitely a product we're standing behind. So that's another episode of the Parts Counter here at Area Diesel Service. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can call us at 800-637-2658. You can email us at parts@areadiesel.com. You can log on to our website at areadieselservice.com, and you can also chat with us instantly on our website through the button in the bottom right-hand corner. Please like and subscribe. Share this content if you found it beneficial. Leave us a comment below if there is something else you'd like us to showcase or talk about. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave them there, and we'll try and cover them on the next episode of the Parts Counter.